Hello! Today we're gonna play with food colors and baking soda and vinegar.
Yes, and it's Muffin Man.
Muffin Man? Ang gagawin natin, we're gonna bake some Muffin Man. No, we're gonna play with colors and vinegar and baking soda.
No, I want to make Muffin Man.
Okay. So our first step is to put colors in each of these little muffin tins. Anong gusto mong color, Myles?
A blue.
Blue, okay. Choose one only.
There.
Okay.
That's working.
Press mo, i-press mo. Press it. Oh, here. Oh, careful, okay? Help? Okay, Myles, ano ang next step? Ilalagay mo yung baking soda.
Sugar.
Only choose 1 spoon, Myles. Help you. Okay. Oopsie.
Okay.
I'll show you, okay?
Okay.
Saan?
There.
Mm.
Okay. And
Next.
Okay.
So our next step is to put vinegar in it, Myles. So, ibibigay ko sa'yo yung vinegar and then ibuhos mong ganyan, okay? Slowly and nicely. Slowly. Oh. It's okay. Myles, can you show mommy how you did it?
Yeah, I'll help.
Okay, do it here, baby.
I'm gonna do that.
It's okay, Myles. You can do it again. It's magic, Myles. Okay, show mommy.
I'm gonna do
Help you? Okay, let's do it together. Hold mo. Okay, saan mo gusto?
this.
Hindi, yung iba naman. Ibang color. That one? Wow!
And this.
Saan?
This.
Wow!
And this.
Anong color yan? Myles, show mommy what color.
Blue.
Blue. Okay, sige, ilagay mo.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
So, last one.
Last one. Okay, I'll help you. Saan? Which one?
There and there.
Last one. Choose one.
There.
Okay. Anong color?
Green.
Wow!
Okay.
Last one na yon. Your turn. Okay?
I'm gonna do
You can do it, Myles.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay, help you again. Hold hands.
Okay.
Okay, saan?
Here.
Okay, tapos tell mommy what color, okay?
Okay. Whoa.
Yellow.
It's big.
Wow! Anong next?
And
Saan?
here.
Okay. Oh, anong color?
Red.
Red. Okay. You wanna do it yourself? You wanna show mommy how to do it?
No, help me.
Okay.
Whoa, blue, blue. It's blue. Okay, and this.
O, anong color yan?
Green.
Hooray! What else?
And put the dolphin.
Meron pa, Myles. May 3 pa.
I have green.
Very good, Myles. Sige, you can do it. Okay, I'll touch your elbow, okay?
Okay.
You can do it, my love. Okay. See? You did it! Hooray!
Okay.
One more? Show mommy one more?
No, it's not.
It's enough na? Okay, say bye.
We say bye.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Enjoy it.